Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure Windows and Lenovo drivers are current. This avoids driver conflicts during enrollment. Once done, plug in power so the laptop won't sleep mid-process. Now open Start, go to Settings, select Accounts, and choose Sign-in options. You should see Windows Hello Fingerprint. This step gets you to the exact place to enroll a finger. Make sure you use the finger you plan to use daily to build consistent scans. You click Setup under Fingerprint and follow the prompts. Windows will ask you to place a finger on the sensor multiple times. Press and lift the finger slowly, varying the angle and edges so the sensor captures full surface detail. This increases reliability. Make sure to include the pad and sides over several passes. Once progress reaches full or you get a confirmation, Windows stores the template. If prompted, add an additional finger for backup access. You should immediately lock the PC and test the fingerprint unlock to confirm success. If it fails, remove the old fingerprint and re-enroll. Sometimes a fresh template fixes recognition. Also check Device Manager for a fingerprint driver update or reinstall the Lenovo driver if necessary. Finally, clean the sensor with a lint-free cloth and dry your finger. Dirt or moisture is a common cause of errors. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.